In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Wise IBAN number. We'll walk through this step by step, ensuring you know exactly where to look and how to access the details you need. Let's get started, whether you're using the website or the app. First, you'll need to log in to your Wise account. This is pretty straightforward. Open your browser and head over to wise.com. If you're on your phone, simply open the Wise app. Enter your credentials to sign in. If you don't have the app yet, it's worth downloading for easy access on the go. It's available on both iOS and Android, and logging in is a breeze. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. This is where all your currencies and transactions are neatly organized. Now, what you need to do is select the currency you want to find the IBAN for. Wise supports multiple currencies, so pick the one that you need. For example, Euros or British pounds. Just click or tap on it within your dashboard to move on to the next step. After selecting your currency, your next task is to access your account details. You'll find an option that says Get Account Details. Go ahead and click on it. If this is your first time accessing these details, Wise might prompt you with some setup instructions. These are simple and necessary to generate your account details, including your IBAN. If you've already completed the setup, this process will be even quicker for you. Once you've clicked through and set everything up, your IBAN will be right there, prominently displayed alongside other important information. This will include your BIC or SWIFT code, as well as your account number. It's useful to have all this information grouped together for when you need to share it or use it for a transaction. That's all there is to it. You now know exactly how to navigate through your Wise account to find your IBAN number, making transactions more manageable and organized. Remember to keep your account information secure. Avoid sharing it unnecessarily to protect your financial privacy. It's a good habit to familiarize yourself with these details, especially if you often send or receive money internationally. Now that you know how to find your Wise IBAN with ease, managing your transactions will be a smoother process. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Wise has a robust help section and customer support to guide you further. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to explore the many features of your Wise account to make the most of it. Happy transacting!